Flow Reading Fluency Digital is a comprehensive fluency program with hundreds of nonfiction passages. Each passage is precisely leveled with a certified Lexile measure, so you can meet the needs of a wide range of students. The student workflow is intuitive, easy to navigate, and completely independent. The program guides students through 9 powerful steps for improving reading fluency. The first step is to review key vocabulary. Your student will listen and read along with the assisted reading video of his passage's key vocabulary words and definitions. The second step is to make a prediction. After reviewing the key vocabulary, your students will make a short prediction of what the passage is about. The third step is to perform a cold reading. Your student will click on Start Recording and the text will appear. As your student is reading, the system is recording. Once your student is finished with the cold reading, the system will automatically calculate a preliminary cold score as well as a hot reading goal. The fourth step begins the practice phase of the 9 steps. This step is called Read Along. Your student will read along with an assisted reading video passage that highlights each word as it is read aloud. A real human reads these assisted reading video passages. Our program never uses robotic text-to-speech software. Your student must complete 3 read-alongs before proceeding to the next step. Step 5 is the echo read. Using the same assisted reading video passage from Step 4, your student will press pause after each sentence and then read the sentence aloud on his own until the entire passage is complete. Your student must complete 3 echo reads before proceeding to the next step. The 6th step is independent practice. Your student will record himself reading the passage independently at least 3 times. The program will automatically calculate, record, and display your student's words read per minute scores so he can see his progress. Your student can complete as many independent practice sessions as he wants until he has met his goal. Step 7 is summarize. Your student will then write a brief summary of the passage. Step 8 is a quiz. Your student will complete various types of comprehension questions. These questions include the main idea, attending to details, using context clues, making inferences, and finding connections. Students will then click View Quiz Results to see how they did. Step 9, which is the final step of the process, is the hot reading. Now it's time to show off. Your student will record his hot reading just like he did with the cold reading. Unlike with the cold reading, your student doesn't just get one shot at the hot reading. He could make as many attempts as he likes to ensure that he reaches his hot reading goal. In this screen, your student can clearly see his progression of improvement from his cold reading, his goal, his practice sessions, and his hot reading. If he is satisfied with his hot reading score, he can click Finish the passage. Once the teacher has finished scoring his cold and hot reading, he will be able to move on to the next passage.